Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shirma Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So, ngayong hapon natatigyan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Leo. So, Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating masasagap, ang ating mahihigilap. So guys, this reading sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. Comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaan kayo na Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig umapaw man balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, maraming salamat. Umpisa na natin ang laban for the sign of Leo. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ka ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Leo signs. So this is the moment na, no? Yung mga nag-aabang ng Leo dyan, ito na nga. There's a Queen of Cups. There's an healing. There's an healing dito. And of course, there's a mother figure na sinasabi dito, there is some care. Something care. No? Meron ako nasasagap na there's single mom. There's a single mom out there. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa finances, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuitions and listen to your gut feelings. Na makikinig ka lagi sa iyong nararamdaman, no? Sa iyong panaginip or something na baka kailangan nyo rin ng pahinga. Kasi there's a fear din ako nasasagap, no? And of course, I'm exhausted. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a confident. Ito yung kailangan, no? Magkaroon ka ng confident o i-boost mo yung confident mo. Additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a Ten of Wands. There's a lot of burden. No? Maraming burden daw dito or something pinagdaanan mo. And of course, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded. No? Kailangan maging mature ka. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups. Because there's an Ace of Cups, there's a new romance, no? May bagong pakilig at bagong pag-ibig or something na love offer. And because there's an Eight of Cups, no? I-let go mo lang, no? I-let go mo lang na i-let go yung mga bagay kasi dadaloy na to, naturally. So, what is the Queen of Swords? Okay, there is the Moon card, there's a revelations, no? There's a dreams. Some of you, pinapasok to sa iyong dreams, no? Itong intuitions na to. So, what is the Queen of Wands? What is the Queen of Wands? So, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. There's a mental clarity. Kumbaga ito, dito yung, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng malinaw na kaisipan na magbuboost sa'yo ng confident. So, what is the Ten of Wands? There's a Three of Wands. So, waiting for a soul, waiting for a ship, no? Some of you may travel ka dito at maaaring baka mag-ibang bansa ka na for good, no? Or some of you baka relocations, no? So, what is the Emperor? And of course, there's a Page of Sword, information, no? Kumbaga, maging matured ka, hindi ka dapat nakikinig sa chismis, no? Kumbaga, dapat, kumbaga, may mga bagay o balita ka nalalaman. Dapat, kumbaga, pakinggan mo lang siya, no? At labas sa kabilang tenga, pasok ka sa kabilang tenga, labas sa kabilang tenga, ganun lang. Hindi mo kailangang patulan ng chismis, So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and of course the Ace of Cups. There's a Ten of Cups. There's a happiness. So, magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan dito, no? Of your happiness talaga. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups? And of course, there's a Chariot card, taking action, no? Kumbaga, kilos-kilos, galaw-galaw, hindi mo kailangan kumbaga, mas-stuck dyan sa negativity. So, let's see what is the Four of Swords and the Moon card. So, there's a Knight of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a final push or something na, kumbaga, perseverance, pagtsatsaga, no? Or resilience. Kailangan maging mahinaan, maging tahimik. Hindi mo kailangan maging, kumbaga, maging aktibo at maging agresibo, no? Kailangan mo lang makinig sa intuitions mo, makinig sa gut feeling mo, either sa pumapasok na intuitions mo. So, let's see what is the Queen of Wands and the Ace of Swords. What is the Queen of Wands and the Ace of Swords? So, there's Knight of Pentacles. So, there's a blossoming abundance. Some of you baka lalakas ang negosyo o hanap buhay mo. So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands and the Three of Wands. So, there's the word card. There's a trouble talaga ha, though there's a triple clarification na may trouble talaga dito. Or some of you baka mangingibang bansa ka na. Or some of you baka, kumbaga, inaantay mo na lang yung balita na, kumbaga, visa or something na paper. So this is it. No? Kumbaga, ito na inaantay mo. So, what is the Emperor in the Page of Swords? So, there's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Ayun sinasabi ko, maging mahinahon, huwag maging padalos-dalos. Kapag may nakita ka information, alamin mo muna. No? Huwag kang maging agresibo. Be mature enough. Be at a higher standard. Additional messages. There is a Two of Wands. No, there is a two path. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a choices. Kumaga, tignan mo yung better side of yourself. Huwag kang titingin sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi naman pinagkakaloob sa'yo. No? Maging pasalamat ka kung ano binibigay sa'yo ng ating universe. There's a strength card. Kumaga, labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo. No? Alisin mo yung fear. Alisin mo yung doubt. At at the same time, there's a lovers. No? There's a love life. May pag-ibig na wagas. There's an everlasting promises. Kumaga, may buhay pag-ibig dito. Additional outcome. There is a Queen of Swords. There is a bigger feature of yourself in the Six of Swords. There's a transition. Kumaga, kailangan baguhin mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay-bagay na walang kabuluhan. Kumaga, there's a Queen of Swords na tingnan mo yung bigger feature of yourself. Yun yung mga bagay na may benefits or yung magsiserve sa'yo sa huli. No? Huwag mong tignan yung mga bagay na alam mong walang pakinabang. Huwag mong tignan yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo. No? So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's a Cupid arrow. Have faith, love is coming. Some of you viewers single, ha? May pag-ibig, hindi ka tatandang dalaga dyan. Charis, kumaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na may taong magpapakilig at magmamahal sa'yo. No? There's a surprises pagdating sa love life. And of course, there's a lightning, there's a sudden changes, and shocking news. May magandang balita dito na magdadala sa'yo na abundance, no? Kasaganahan. So, let's see what is your, para sinasabi, keep your positive mindset, no? Wag ka nag-isip ng mga nega. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. The more na naghahata ka ng nega, the more na nagkakaroon ka ng mga negative energy na negative outcome, no? Kamalas or tumal, ganon. And of course, suddenly, there's an open. No? There's a receive. Dapat marunong ka tumanggap na kung ano man ang binibigay sa'yo. At matatanggap mo kung ano man ang mga bagay na para sa'yo. Kumbaga, wag kang magreklamo kung ano yung binigay sa'yo. Kumbaga, binigyan ka ng pagsubok, solusyonan mo. Binigyan ka ng offer na ganyan, tanggapin mo, ipaglaban mo, at galingan mo. And of course, there's a revert, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng renewal dito, no? Panibagong eksena. At the same time, there's an autumn, para pag-asa to revert, pag-asa. And of course, there's an autumn harvest time. At the end of the time, magkakaroon ng harvest time at makukuha mo ang kasaganahan. And of course, there's a party. Some of you magiging masaya ka, no? There's a celebration. Let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for you, Leo. Environmentalism. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, mag-enjoy ka sa mga nurture, pagdating sa mga, kumbaga, kailangan mo na sariwang hangin, no? Kailangan mong huminga-hinga kahit papano, baka puro problema na. And I guess there is an exercise for body work na kailangan mo na exercise, massage, no? Kailangan mong pagpawisan. At the same time, there is a family. So, you are also family-oriented. Or sinasabi dito, guys, mukhang there's a family related. And of course, talk to your angels. Kausapin mo ang gabay mo na, kumbaga, kung ano man ang nangyayari sa inyo, masolusyonan na at matapos na yung mga problema pinagdadaanan mo. Kumbaga, para maalis yung worries mo, no? Additional messages for you. Additional messages. There's a change. Change is coming. No, may pagbabago. There's a balance na magdadala sa iyo ng balance. What is Archangel Michael messages for you? Archangel Michael messages for you. Admit through yourself and act accordingly. See, hindi mo kailangan maging pretender, no? Hindi mo kailangan mag-pretend or hindi mo kailangan magtago or magpanggap, no? Kung ano man ang meron ka, 'Diba? Tanggapin mo at ipakita mo sa kanila, no? And of course, a new beginning and fresh start. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula. And it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. Tapos pakawalan mo yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. No? Yung mga taong kung ano lang ang meron ka, 'di ba? Tapos kumbaga hindi tanggap kung ano man yung mga bagay or pangit sa iyo, ganun. Kumbaga kailangan mo yang i-let go yung mga tao na 'yan, yung mga toxicities na 'yan. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Kasi may mga kaibigan tayong peke, ganon. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na nandyan lang pag kailangan mo or kailangan kanila, ganon. So, sinasabi dito na kailangan mo umalis dyan sa mga yan. Parasites yan. So, let's see what is Monsology. What is the Monsology? There's an emotional running high. So, ngayon magiging emotional ka na, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo na na-appreciate or unti-unti ka na nagpapasalamat sa mga blessings na natatanggap mo. And expect the powerful change. See? There is a changes coming in. A major changes, a powerful changes rather. Let's see what is this energy. There is a third chakra Archangel Chamuel for your health, no? Kumbaga, tutukan mo raw ang health mo. And because there's a broken heart, some of you there's a losses or pain, no? Baka marami kumbaga marami sa paligid mo, rider ka. And because there's a woman holding a coin. So, some of you magaling humawak ng finances. And because there's a men holding a coin. So, there's a feminine, masculine energy na kumbaga pares kayong marunong humawak ng pera ng iyong person. So, let's see what is this chakra. Messages for you. Let's see what is the chakra. Destiny. So, nakatadhana at nakalaan. At there's a prayer. Tandaan mo yan. Pag pinagdasal mo, ipagkakaloob sa'yo. There's a balance. Magdadala daw sa ito ng balance eh. My goodness. A balance. So, diba? Huwag kang, kumbaga kahit na magalit sila sa'yo, kumbaga basta balanse ka, no? Huwag kang titignan doon. Kumbaga may mga kaibigan sa paligid mo, di ba? Kung may mga tao sa paligid mo na nag-aaway or something yung magkaibigan, or kaibigan mo, no? Huwag kang, kumbaga mag one-sided. Kailangan pares titignan mo yung kanilang hinaing, no? And of course, maging balance ka. And of course, there's a past life where you are also gifted, no? There's a gift or something, baka material na gift or something. There is an emotions, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng emotions dito. Magiging emotional ka ngayong linggo na to. I don't know why. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael messages. That's it. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, detach from the situation, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng healing at kailangan mo i-let go. Diba? Bahala na si God, bahala na ang universe. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. A new earth. Holding the visions, no? It's happening. Nangyayari na ngayon, no? And kasi sabi dito from perspective, baguhin mo ang pananaw o baguhin mo ang, kumbaga, yung mindset mo. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Jesus-loving quote said, so, sinasabi dito ni Jesus, into you it's given to know the mystery of Kingdom of God. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga ibibigay mo na sa'yo yung mga bagay na alam niya matututunan mo. Bago niya ipagkaloob sa'yo, yung blessings or nararapat para sa'yo. Tandaan mo, what goes around comes around. There's a karma, principle of karma. Kung ano man yung ginawa mo, siyang bunga mo. Parang ganon. Kaya wag ang gagawa na ikasasama mo and gift of life, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na let's see. Wait muna. There's an angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. There is a 00. I am observant. Angel asks for your attentions, open your eyes, listen and think about everything that is happening. Trust your intuition and follow their guidance without any delays. Focus inwards through meditation and prayer. See, kailangan mo talaga magdasal, no? Nangyayari na ngayon, obserbahan mo yung mga kaganapan sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, matutuklasan mo yung mga taong traidor, mga taong gumagawa ng, kumbaga, galit or inggit sa'yo. And of course, sinasabi dito, the messages of life, a gift from life. So, sinasabi dito, each day life offers me abundance, proof that universe love me. Every day God sends angels to help me. Today I will receive an angelic message. It may come from someone with whom I speak, from words that I read. I will listen closely as this message is as divine gift meant to help me make my way in love and maintain my spiritual strength. So, ibig sabihin dito, you are also gifted. Lahat ng binibigay sa'yo ni God ay regalo sa'yo ng langit at may kapal. Tandaan mo, ha? Kumbaga, may mga bagay, sakripisyo, kumbaga, problema pinagdadaanan mo, tandaan mo. Regalo yan ng Panginoon at regalo yan ng universe sa'yo. So, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Leo. Leo, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sapag support sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik diglig nag-uumapaw ang biyayang ipagkakaloob sa'yo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!